eraser.
Ooh, what's so magic about it?
Watch what happens when I erase some of the couch. Erase, erase, erase!
Whoa, how did it even do that?
This eraser can erase anything. See this wall over here, Snowy? Erase, 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 erase! And just like that, we have a window. That's more like it.
This is so awesome. Can I try?
Sure, Snowy, but be careful. This thing could be dangerous.
Don't worry, Tyler. I'll be careful. Oh, whoops.
Aw, man, you erased part of my shirt with that thing.
Oops, sorry about that. Wait, you have a tattoo?
Oh, that old thing? That's a long story.
I want to see what it is. Erase, 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 erase. Oh my gosh, it's a tattoo of
The like button! Guys, hit the like button right now if you haven't already. Somebody dared me to get this, and they said if anyone sees it, they'll have to hit the like button.
That is so funny. Hey, we should use the eraser's power to help people.
Great idea, Snowy. Come on, let's go save some lives. Look, Snowy, the first person that needs our help is this cute little pig, and we need to help him make his bed.
Yeah, Tyler, how can we do that?
Well, Snowy, so far his bed looks pretty normal. I see 2 pink pillows in there, and wait a second, I think his sheet might be dirty. So we can use our magic eraser to erase the dirt off of his sheets. Oh my gosh, Snowy, that's his wife!
What? That's messed up. We helped him find out that his wife was cheating on him.
Yeah, Snowy, she was secretly in love with the other pig. That's awkward. Let's get out of there. All right, Snowy, the old lady next door called us because she's scared of the biker guy that's just outside of her fence.
What is he doing just sitting in front of her house like that?
I don't know, Snowy. She sounded pretty scared on the phone. Is he waiting to beat her up? Let's erase the fence and wait a second, he's just mowing the lawn.
What? He's not doing anything bad.
I guess Grandma forgot she hired someone to mow her lawn. Okay, Snowy, the next person who called us for help is Farmer Kalidas, and he needs our help getting rid of this fox that's been eating his chicken.
I haven't been eating his chickens.
No, Snowy, not you. This fox.
Oh yeah, that's not me. How can I scare this fox out of here?
I don't know, Snowy. Let's see what's inside of the chicken coop. I'll erase it so we can see. Oh my gosh, it's a guard dog!
That's totally scaring the fox away.
Look, Snowy, this girl needs our help. It looks like her washing machine is not working right, and she has the manual right there.
But how can we use a magic eraser to make her feel better?
I don't know, Snowy. Maybe we can erase the book. Wait a second. Is that a passport?
Oh yeah, what is that doing there?
That's kind of weird. Let's see if we can fix the washing machine too. Here we go. Oh my gosh, Snowy. Now she's on an airplane going to Paris.
Yay, vacation is just what she needed.
Hey, look, Snowy. This next girl is trying to listen to music with her headphones, but it's all tangled up and it's not working right.
What can we erase to solve her problem?
Wait a second, Snowy. What if we erase the cables and it turns her earbuds into AirPods?
Yes, no more tangled wires to get in the way.
Whoa, look, Snowy. There's an astronaut and he's in space. He needs our help to find an alien that's been sighted in this part of the galaxy.
Maybe the alien's hiding behind a planet or something.
Yeah, Snowy, let's try to erase this one. No, nothing there. This one? Maybe that one? Or the moon? What, Snowy? I don't see an alien anywhere.
Wait, Tyler, try erasing the astronaut.
Okay, Snowy, but I don't see how that's supposed to help him. Wait, what the heck is that? Oh my gosh, it was an alien in disguise all along! We gotta get out of here!
It was a trap!
Hey, Snowy, this guy said he needed help making his girlfriend cry, but he didn't specify if it was tears of joy or sadness.
What can we erase to make her cry? She looks pretty happy right now.
Maybe we can erase her makeup, and then she'll be really sad about it. Oh no, Snowy, I erased her face!
That would make me cry.
Yeah, Snowy, having no face would make me cry too. Wait, how can she cry if she has no eyes to cry with?
Oh yeah, let's try that again.
Wait a second, Snowy, it looks like he's gonna propose to her.
Ooh, if you reveal the ring in the box, she might cry tears of joy.
Let's reveal that ring! Wait, what? That's an onion!
And now she's crying.
I guess onion rings do count as rings. Oh no, Snowy, here comes a bull!
It says save the bullfighter. How are we gonna do that?
I don't know, Snowy. The bull is charging right for the blanket. Maybe we can erase the bull? There we go. Oh no, that didn't work.
Tyler, that bull is his pet, so you don't want to erase him.
You're right, Snowy. Maybe we can erase the red red cloth? Wait, what? Time to get dressed, Mr. Bull.
I didn't know bulls wear underwear.
Look, Zoe, the construction worker has been working all day, and it's really making him angry how long it's taking. I think he needs a break.
Now, Tyler, he needs something to give him a good time.
Maybe we could do something with the jackhammer. Let's erase it, and what the? It turns into a pogo stick.
Oh, look at him go.
Oh no, Zoe, the bus is heading for the tunnel, and it's too big. It's a double-decker bus. They're gonna crash.
We've got to erase something, Tyler, to stop the crash.
Should we erase the top of the tunnel so that the bus can fit? Wait a second, Zoe, I have a better idea. Let's make the bus fit by erasing the top half of it. There we go.
Nice, Tyler, but I think there was a kid on the top floor.
Oops, not anymore. Hey, this next one says find the werewolf.
Ooh, I bet it's that guy. Try erasing the guy.
Yeah, Zoe, let's try to erase his human disguise. What? Nothing happened. What about her? Is she a werewolf? Oh my gosh, Zoe, why does her shirt have a paw print?
That is mysterious, but she's not a wolf.
Yeah, you're right, Zoe. So, where's the werewolf? Wait a second. Don't werewolves need a full moon to